Imagine that situation where you finish keying in your query into a search engine and are presented with 2 million results. Imagine the facepalm reaction, wondering about how you're going to sift through all those results and find those gems that are most relevant to you. That's exactly where Findability steps in. At Findability Sciences, we help you find what you're looking for, reduce costs and earning smiles as we do it.
You are searching, and if you're going to get millions of hits, then you are really lost. You might not get accurate information. But in Findability, what we do is we have this concept of finding the information as accurate as the user is asking for. It really shortens the time span to bring the information to the user.
Our solutions, are something that even a child could pick up and start working with. There is no jargon, there is no lengthy manuals to by heart. It's just functional. If you know your work and what you want out of it, you can just use our apps. It just works. Findability Sciences is also the world's first company focused on the science of findability, holding patents and trademarks of innovations such as the Findability Index rating methodology to Searchability Index, a search engine ranking system. With this and many other exciting developments in store, FS is poised to revolutionize how the world thinks of IT services. United States is where we have our primary headquarters, and in India we have our major development hub at AURANGABAD in Maharashtra. The Aurangabad office is housed at the Software Technology Parks of India at Aurangabad, and we have excellent connectivity and abilities there, and it's great for a customer who is looking to have 24/7, 365 days a year connectivity with their vendor or their technology provider. In Mumbai, we also have an administrative and marketing and sales oriented office. In terms of resources and in terms of talent, FS has access to some really cutting edge, experienced and young talent at the same time. At FS, we have had the honor to partner with customers ranging from the top names in the industry to one-man startups. FS today has diversified into verticals of finance, e-commerce, healthcare and utilities amongst others. The work culture at Findability Sciences. A can-do spirit, creative freedom and the agile environment of a startup. That sets the stage at FS. We really love the flexibility. Our leadership team encourages and nurtures entrepreneurial thoughts. You have 20 minutes at Google to come up with ideas. At FS, you have the whole day while you're at work to come up with ideas. And let me tell you this, you're never short of ideas at FS. At FS, the excitement never ends. It doesn't come as a surprise when we say that the right findability solution can not just save hours of time, but also translate into millions of dollars in saved costs. Good findability can yield not just faster, greater productivity, but also offers top management with business intelligence by revealing new facets about the organization's information. When information comes together, paper, structured, unstructured, web, it's a wonderful thing that allows you to mine and explore your information in ways you never imagined before. Economist in February 2010 came out with a special issue. It focused on one thing and one thing only, the data deluge, the information overload. From the military organizations, governments and private sectors, or the common man. If you are on the internet and you go to Google and if you search for anything, you are hit at one time with so many results. You just don't know what to do with it. Finally started with an idea. The idea was to help organizations get their way out of the pain of the data deluge. Everyone needs to find information. It's not that you want to search. No one enjoys the activity of search. What you would enjoy more than search any day is the moment when you find what you're looking for. Understanding the user, the context of their use, and understanding and presenting information so that it is more relevant to them is all that we do at Findability. Findability is the future. As we always say, at Findability Sciences, we help you realize the joy of finding versus the pain of search.